whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hook of force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira hira whakarongo pi kari kari mai. Areare mai, o Taringa hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Mai e te tupua, mai e te tawhito, mai e te kāhui o Whare Ariki, mai e tawhiwhi atu ki te uho te ora, kātau te uro ora ki waiti, ki waita, katupuki waita, katupuki taringa. Ane mihi nei kia koutou. I runga i ngā hau o te wā, te hu o ngā taonga nei o tira, he taonga o koutou taringa, anei o mātou ngā kau. Mātou te tokotore mihi nei kia koutou ko hono mai anō kia taringa, coming at you from the bustling metropolis of Taumutu, and there are some acoustics you can hear. That was an evil and laugh you did into your taonga pūro.
Quite witchy.
Coming from the auspices of Te Wānanga Aotearoa. There, got it out.
Get it out. Te Wānanga
Got it out there.
He takapau mātou ranga, he whānau huare wā.
He whānau huare wā. Is that your carol?
No.
You could keep playing.
Yeah, I know, I just got to find it.
Okay, koutou e whakarongo ana, taihua, because kua tohunga tai anō a Erika ka whiwhi I tana Okay, koutou, we play a guessing game here. So, ko te taonga e whakatangi ana ia, he and you got to guess, and I gave you a clue. Koe rā ngā... what's the syllable?
Ku. Ku?
Nā ku o te kupu.
Kupu.
Te ku me te whē.
Ooh.
You know where te ku me te whē comes from? You know te ku me te whē?
No.
Ko te ku te pēnei. Ko te whēte.
Oh.
Ku. Nā i roto ētahi kōrero mo te oroko hanganga o tā o te tangata.
Yep.
I arangi rawa ko papa, ia wai ake rānei. Ana ko te teo ana kōpai, puoro, a hirini, was te ku me te whē.
Ai, yep.
Engari, ko te ku me te whē is the sound of creation.
Ai.
Te ku. Anyway, anei te koea te ku me te whē, ne? Te ku te whē. Koea te ku me te whē, koea te oro o te orokohanga.
Ai.
Ne? Orokohanga, the vibration of creation.
Kia ora. Boom.
Boom! Wow, yeah. Ana, when you're learning one other taonga, puoro, you go through that stage in your creative process of interacting or
Ai.
te whakawhanaunga ki te taonga puoro.
Ai.
You're doing lots of ku and whē, but there's actually no oro coming out of it, but the ku me te whē. And Erika has, to an extent, most people I've seen play this taonga, and I'll be honest, ahua iho hupe au ki te whakatangi, iho hupe tonu koe.
Ai.
Engari, I can't get those range out, maybe because mine's different to yours. And her taonga poro, we got gifted them, and thank you again, and I'm going to be honest with you, because I'm not on social media, and we haven't been communicating, and you know who you are because you're an avid listener, and we thank you. This is the second takoha that you've gifted to us. So thank you very much to you. And Mokena got one too. And we played this, Mokena came with this game there. If the puaheiri didn't know what it was, I was allowed to slap him. And lucky he did. But we don't slap each other in the face, just letting everybody know. So we play this game. We just came up with it today, really. But no one's got a slap yet. You can do it on me too. Like if I should know something, you guys make a thing like, okay, we get to slap round. But we're not allowed. And you
so we're basically playing the chase, but...
Yeah. Anyway, whakarongo ki te... Go, Erika. Now it's your moment.
Oh, no. Hang on. So
Now,
I've got
what
to
did
do
you
it
tell
on
me
the outward
before? That's
breath.
right. You said just breathe, eh? Beautiful. Okay.
Concentrating.
Me kaere ko te moe ana ane te kupu. Pū moto moto.
Pū moto moto.
Pū moto moto.
And so,
You can share, because I know you've heard some kōrero about the pū moto moto. So how...
I'm still in
well,
pū
what
and
I
whē.
know about the poo motomoto is that's fontanella, the
Yes.
soft spot on a baby's head.
Yeah. And we still have one too, but it closes physically.
Yeah.
And e ai ki e tai kōrero pāna ki te atuatanga, spirituality. That's
Tā
why-
ngai ngai.
Parata tohi tā ngai ngai. But as we mature, and koutou, tērā pē tamariki a koutou, tērā rā nei, e maharana koutou, e raumaharana, tērā te wā ia koe tamariki ana, you had, for want of a better expression, spiritual engagements. Ne?
More
And-
open to.
Yeah, and e tai o koutou, he tamariki a koutou, he mokopuna rānei, he whērā. Ei, and ko tētai kōroa te Māori, i te mea e tuwhera tonu ana te pū moto moto. Ei, ki e tai, ki te ipurangi.
Ai.
So,
Pūrangi, the original.
so that's a bit of a unpack o te pū moto moto. So, yeah, koe ne te pū moto moto, he tumuaki hoki ki e tai.
Ai.
Oh, yeah.
He tipuaki rānei.
Tupuaki.
Yeah.
Ai, yeah.
Tumuaki, tipuaki. Furthermore, what were you going to share?
Well, I wanted to know what's the connection between this taonga pūoro and the pū motomoto. Is there a connection between the pū motomoto of the pepe,
Ko te kōrero a,
te tangata?
a hirini ki a mātou. And you know, look, koutou te hunga e mihi ake ana. There was a time in my life, I still have a passion for taonga pūoro, but I was right in there.
He was in there. It was...
Yeah, and you know, I ki te au, I reire e tehi. Harai te mea kāri kahake i au, engari ki te au, e pai ana waiho tērā ki a rātou. But I still have a big part of my heart for taonga pūoro. But I've had a very short time with Hirini. I was very, very lucky. Anei tana kōrero, ko te pū moto moto, i ngā wā mua, they would place the bottom part, so the puare, and I don't think that's tola wene wene, so the whole there's the wene wene, eh? He wene wene?
This one.
Yep. The
Yep.
little... Yep.
The puare, so you'd put that on the pūmotomoto o te pepe. Ka tai koe ka whakatangi. Yeah. And ai a koe whakatangi ana, ko te oro o te pūmotomoto, he tūhono i te pūmotomoto o te pepe, ki te pūmotomoto o te rangi.
O te rangi, kia ora.
Maroto mai te whai oro, the magic of vibrations. Yeah.
Cool, eh?
Ko te kiwaha i te rānei, ko te
Ko te rāpea.
rāpea.
So
Yeah.
we looked at koia and how it's used to emphasize or change the context of something.
Yeah.
And I thought e pai ki te
Add on.
add on.
Oh, like koia rāpea.
You're going to add on the
Koia
next
rāpea.
one.
So, whakarongo te wā.
Next
Māku rāpea, māku rāpea, māku koe e awhi e. So, what
And
is...
know the difference between awhi and awhina.
Ai, kia ora.
Yeah, I knew.
I went to
yeah.
awhi.
Pirangi koe he awhi.
Pirangi awhi.
Pirangi awhi.
He awhi koe.
Oea.
Tēnā koe, guys.
Tēnā koe, guys, yeah. Tēnā koe koutou. So, is the composer... You just got it? So
I'm happy for you.
Is the composer like questioning, oh, I might help you?
Yeah.
Or I might help you,
Yeah.
rāpea?
Yeah.
It's actually, it's an indeed. I will indeed.
Ah,
Yeah.
So when someone says, oh, kia kai tātou ki tēnei wharekai, say, ai rāpea. Absolutely.
okay.
Ai rāpea.
Oh, yeah. So it's,
Kia haere rāpea ki reira. Let's go there.
Thank you for bringing that back for me. Yeah, because I wareware au I reira rā tērā kōrero iri ana.
Ai.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, māku rāpea.
So rāpea, ne? Come, and I
well,
think...
indeed.
I hazard a guess that's also So that the same use te kiwaha rongonui ki kahununu mo kamutu pia.
Right.
And when people hear kamutu pia, they're like, so...
Yes, nice.
I'm Ron Burgundy, but it's actually definite. like,
Both.
yeah. So, ai rā pia. Kia haere rā pia ki te kōrero ki a. Perhaps you should, that's a, indeed.
So it's more intense, because a kua rongo au e te kā mutu I te arawa. E tai kā mutu te hui.
Ah.
So kā mutu pia te hui is like it's up from kā mutu,
Yep.
Must be,
Must be rā. Ai pia.
Koia rā pia.
Koia rā pia. Ai rā pia.
Koia rā pia.
Yeah.
Can I go, e hara rā pia?
Nah. No.
Like, can you use it in a negative way?
Or
I haven't heard it, so I couldn't say yes or no. Kei te mā?
I've never heard kaore rā pia, but kaore pia.
Kaore pia.
Oh, yeah.
Kaore pia. Perhaps
Is that,
not.
but is that, that's more like, oh, maybe.
Yeah.
That's the perhaps.
Maybe
yeah.
not. Kaore pia.
Yeah, maybe not, yeah. Maybe not.
You know, tētahi, you may have heard of it, te panekeretanga. Tētahi o a mātou, karahe. No, actually, I te kōrero noi ho e tei, and I makangia tētai, I roto I tana kōrero, something pia. E ka huria Timothy ka mea, kare te Māori I maka noa I te kare whakamahi te maka tainui, like isi maka.
Yeah.
Kare te Māori I maka noa I te pia.
Ai.
Me ua, now this is the perhaps pia.
Yeah.
Ka haere
Like,
pia.
tērā pia, ka
Yeah.
blah, blah.
Yeah. E tai wā ka ki te tangata pia, when really the answer is, yeah, you're going to do it. So why are you using the pia? But you learn these little, Jared, you know what they're called?
Yeah.
They just sometimes roll off.
Yeah. While
But he whakaro Pākehā, that's the Taringa Pākehā. They're like,
kia wāhi noho tātou ki te pia. Me tehi o ngā kianga kupu rānei ka whai e tehi o ngā kupu pēneki, te pia is the nge.
pia nge.
Yeah. Yeah. Tērā pia nge, you hear it in waiata. Yeah, and engari, I te mea kārongo e ta iwi I te pia nge. Now, kua noho I roto I te reo kōrero. So, nge was a literary device, poetic device, I should say, for the manuataki of the waiata.
Yeah.
So you're saying some of them, ko pānui te etahi mō tēte ka whakaro ake, he kōrero iwi tēnei, he kupu a iwi tēnei. So this will be my flag to bear. It's like,
Yeah,
nah,
but actually no te reo.
no te reo, yeah.
And no te reo mō tētea.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Ko taku tau pea nge tēnei ka hoki mai. Perhaps this is my lover that's returned to me. Yeah, engari ko te nge reira, it's an intensifier, but ko te te o ana mahi nui is actually for to carry the rangi and manuataki or rhythm of the waiata.
Wa pērā I te whakamahinga o e.
O what?
E.
E what?
Hare te mea ka kōrero pēnei tātou you know, just te whakaoting. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, all those.
Yeah.
One other one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's like tāhu ai nawa. You know, e tai o ngā haka te apanui, tai rāwhiti. Me mātou, te ao Māori, but ko kore rango nei nai ni, tāhu ai nawa, ka re rā he wahi, ne ri te ki ahi ne moa. Who wrote it? Who composed it? Mai pai me. Right. Ka hore rā he wahi, ne ri te ki ahi ne moa, tai ana tana hia ki te mutunga e hinawa. E hika e. Hea te hinawa.
E
hinawa e hika e.
Is it one word?
Hika, hinawa is, yeah. Ta en tāhu ai nawa.
Is it shiny? Oh, no.
Tawa I te kiki pati e kupa mai tā ara I tāhu ai nawa ahu e. It's a manawataki thing.
Yeah.
Kāre he kupu pāke ki te hinawa,
Yeah.
but it fits in with the rhythm.
Yeah.
And e whērā hoki te nge.
Yeah.
I muri te pē. Ko tā pē ange, tēnei ka hoki mai. Yeah.
And so even someone who's trying to translate it might go, oh, he nawa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ka huri.
It's not, it's
ka
like a
panoni te
tra-la-la-la-la.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tra-la-la-la-la. Yeah.
Yeah. So like, you know, Bob and Crazy Ballers.
And
Nā, he asa tikanga o tērā. He whera e tahi o ngā anō he karakia, but really it's nonsensical.
Yep.
And it's a whole lot of kupu. Engari, to the uninitiated ear. One would think,
he kupu.
ane, and you start making up he tikanga, and wharehuia, he would say, te mate, ko waiarawa tātou ki te kimi tikanga.
Yeah.
I nā wā katoa. E tai wāhi kāre, he tikanga kāre, ohonutanga.
Yeah.
And that's one of those instances.
Yep.
Like,
Pera i te oi.
oi. Wow. That's like that's the vibrational thing.
Ai. Yeah.
Oi. So, what was the key word? Koia a rāpea.
Rāpea.
Māku rāpea.
Māku rāpea. Ai
And-
rāpea.
If you had a wow moment, let's go back to Awhi and Awhina. I don't know if we're talking about this. Awhi is to embrace.
Yep.
Okay. Awhina is like to assist, to help.
Assist to help. Yeah.
So, you know, unless you're going around hugging everybody like trees,
Yeah.
and I hug trees. Kia huri ki tā tātou kaupapa.
Yeah.
And
There
What-
was a bit of a karu.
yes, it was in, where was the
How many clues were there?
was there even a clue? He tīwhiri, he tūwhiri. And just very, very short, I want to share with you. Ko te tīwhiri, te tūwhiri, mea now we just use it for clues.
Yeah.
Anei tētahi anō tikanga ki e rā kupu. E orite, te tīwhiri, tūwhiri, Papa Wharehui favoured tūwhiri, but some say tīwhiri. And now we've just, again, he nui nā kupu pēnei,
Yeah.
whakamahi e tātou te kupu ki te tatu horopaki o tēnei wānei, ko ware ki te takenga o te kupu,
Ai.
me te ritenga i puta i te kupu.
Yep.
And tīwhiri, tūwhiri were secret clues in the whare wānanga.
Kia ora.
And they were that you could drop in a conversation
Yep.
with somebody and you could talk about something and nobody would know what you're talking about.
Yep.
So they were like, what would you call that? It was like a code.
Code, eh? Yep.
Yeah, so koe rā no te tīwhiri, te tūwhiri. So, where was the tūwhiri about what our kaupapa was going to be? Erika?
Right from the very start.
Yeah, I'm proud of you. It must be that pūmotomoto.
From the...
Look.
Oie, te tipu.
Oh, we should have played the slap game.
Nah.
He was vacant, didn't you?
Yeah, I saw that face. Who's doing the faces that I do?
You could have slapped him.
Nah, I was
Anyway,
thinking about the term awhi and awhina.
He's still back on that
What
one.
if you go to a Coldplay concert, are you going to awhi or are you going to awhina? So sorry. But anyway,
what are you
haven't-
even doing going there anyway?
yeah, they haven't released any singles in years, and that night they released 2 singles.
Okay, we're going to give the English title of this. It's actually a Tikanga 101. And ko te kaupapa. And you have to do it with a plum in your voice. If he doesn't do it properly, we're going to slap him.
Okay.
Maori aristocracies.
Oh, he even did the Maori.
Maori.
Yeah.
You know, he
And
even
aristocracy.
sounded decrepit, eh? Like
I wouldn't say
Next to a-
decrepit.
like Vincent
Fire
Ward,
on
like.
an old wooden stone floor.
And Erika, what? Because he put it in there, kupu i tō ngākau. What made you want to talk about this? Why?
Oh.
What led you to this?
This conversation I had with somebody, and he was talking about his mahi that he does with the Whare Ariki. And I was like, but what is it? Like, why? And yeah, I was just, okay. So the ngako
Yeah.
of my pātai really was, how come there's only really two whare ariki now.
Or no one.
That are, well, known or recognised. Like, surely back in the Rās, there was he whare ariki ki ia hapū.
Yeah.
Or, you know.
Ia iwi ia waka.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where did the whare ariki, how come there was only two widely known?
Yeah. Well, there is
Whare
only
ariki.
two widely known now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to play this game? So, everybody, I have a lemon. I've got
The
this
fake
lemon.
lemon.
It's a stress lemon.
Oh, stress lemon. Yeah.
And what we're going to do is, e homa, share, you chuck it, okay?
Yeah.
So, anything you know about whare ariki
Okay.
and the word ariki. And one thing, don't say I heard, one thing,
Yeah.
okay?
What's the question?
I'll start. Or
anything
anything
you
to
know.
do with what does whare ariki mean, or anything you know about whare ariki, whether it be a tikanga, and or the word just ariki.
Yep.
Okay? I'm going to start. In some karakia, ariki refer also to atua. Passing the lemon.
Ariki is also referred to those of mana atua, divine whakapapa.
5, 4,
There was an
3.
ariki called Tama Ariki.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
There was a queen called, and she's the late queen, and she's the grandmother of our current queen, Te Ariki Nui. Queen e Te Taringa kāu.
You can tell the word he kupu tawhito nā te mea he ali'i.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow. Man, I've just got more questions than answers.
Yeah, tui tika. 5, 4, 3. Here comes the hand. Rua. Tahi, here it comes!
I did it. Let me do it again.
No more. If you don't like that, go to another podcast.
This is the game.
Yeah, okay, we're going to end now. I think that's a good
That was cool.
dynamic.
That's a good
Yeah.
it's a good tuha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Instead of like, well, I guess, and what I heard,
Yeah.
and I heard papa, or I heard nanny. It's like, nah, what is it? What do you know? Yeah, bye.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
so
put the lemon down, by the way.
Put the lemon down here.
is that how it goes? Like,
Well, that's
the
me,
ariki
Christian.
are the like the, you know, the eldest male of the senior line, etc., etc.
First, e te whānau koutou whakarongo mai ana. This kōrero is not only about the kingitanga.
Aye.
Okay? So everybody get a distinction out there that tuatai, ko tēnei kōrero nei whare ariki, or arikitanga, and not the model you came up with, brother, Jay. No mai anō tērā.
Yep.
Hey. And some of the tikanga practices within the kingitanga and the selection of, maybe not the selection is not the right word, but for want of a better word at the moment, that's all I can think of.
Yeah. Is yep.
Because, do you know the word Erika for female ariki? It's a special word.
No.
I'm so glad you didn't say ariki wahine. Well, I still would have been happy with that, to be honest.
And I'm just crossing ariki wahine off.
Now-
the list.
It's not mako ariki.
Are we making a slap vote on Te Puhedi if he doesn't know what?
Yes, we're making a slap vote.
Okay. Female ariki is?
Te pairu.
Oh, te pairu.
He te pairu.
You're doing that more because I didn't know that. I'm doing
Yeah.
that more.
Yeah, I've heard it.
Slap
I know.
Oh, yeah.
We do not condone slapping people, but this is a game,
This is
okay?
a game, e hoa.
Yes, don't make
This
it
is
something.
last card torture. You wanted to play
Oh, man.
Oh, last card torture. Yeah.
Which one? Anyway, stop it.
Knuckles.
No, I don't like
Yeah.
a pinch.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, no,
I bleed.
Yeah, I
got
bleed.
bleeding.
You still got scars. Being the youngest of the cousins, you get it. Anyway, because they cheat till you lose.
Yeah.
But
So if there's the word ariki tapairu, then that proves that wrong, doesn't it?
Oh, true.
Yeah.
True.
That's me. That's what I'm thinking is like, was that introduced? Was that a attitude?
Yes.
Adopted by.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that's one of the things of colonization.
Okay, so I feel like these probably came around
That's
after colonization.
Christianity, the ideas or the ideologies that you follow.
So, like how sort of every pa would have a chief. Is that chief an Ariki or are they just a chief?
Good question.
And is that chief the chief because he's he or she are the senior, whoever of the senior line? Or were they chosen?
Most of the time, it was your pedigree.
Yeah.
That's that whakapapa, like lines of
We had our own
seniority.
class. We had our classes, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our strata.
Strata.
Yeah. Engari, etahi wā, ka riro tonu I te tangata e hara i te ariki ki get the leadership, but it always, if the ariki pulled rank, so te rauparaha is a good example.
Yeah, raha, yeah.
E hara I te ariki. Engari, te tangata te rangatira I mate, ko e te ariki, o Ngāti Rauka wakato te rāwā, ko Hape.
Hape.
Oh, yeah.
And when Hape was dying, and he's looking, who's going to carry on my mantle? And kare tētahi o ngā rangatira o Ngāti Rauka I tohu, I arata no māku. And he ahua pēnei, and it said te rauparaha, te kai whakakapi, koera tētai kupu, te kai whakakapi I te mana o Hape. And ko te arikitanga tēnei o Hape. And he said to Hape, ahua pēnei te wairua, tātou, koutou aku huanga, ki te he, whakatika mai au. Engari, e whenei te wairua, a haere koro, haere ki te pō, a kōrero tia aku mahi rongo nui. Yeah, ka kōrero tia aku mahi rongo nui. And then, so he said, I'll let the people, but he never called himself Ariki. The Ariki tanga didn't go to him, but he got the mana hautū, I guess, I tana iwi.
Yeah.
Engari, e hara I te Ariki. But he got Hape's wives,
Oh, okay.
who were tūhourangi. And that's how tūhourangi got involved with te rauparaha. They actually carved. And it's forgotten. Wasn't that whakaeke? Waikahua, waika tohu. And, so he kept within the pecking order. And now this is the stene pecking order when they te class system, the stratification, levels within society. Koera tera. And, but sometimes rangi hayata would pull rank. And te raupara...
Was that te raupara? Oh, no, Hape's...
Te raupara, te rangi hayata was actually te raupara's nephew.
Okay.
Te raupara had an older brother.
Yeah.
Nohorua.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So that's one example. And then you've got te whare ariki o te kanea takirau, o tana whaia ko hene matioro. E te ona kōrero te teira awhiti, nā kuini o te teira awhiti, rongo mai wahine, wahina arangi, hene matioro. And she had te kanea takirau.
Yeah, yeah.
And tana whaia ko ngā rangi kāhiwa. Engari, kāre āna uri ake, ia te kani. He whānau kei reira, kāre te takataka ia koutou. Ne, he pērā etehi o ngā rangatira ariki rāne o tērā wā, kāore ārātau ake uri. End up, yeah. And ko nā kōrero a Ngāti Porou ki au, mō te kanea takirau, and this is one of the reasons why, I believe, and tātou, or if you don't know, he said, e hara, go back to our kingitanga.
Yeah.
One, I think it's hundreds, I don't know. It was, whatever, you'll hear the number later.
Yeah.
That's why, reason why te kanea takirau said, e hara hikuraki te maunga neke, he never ever left the territories of te whānau Uawa.
Rua taupare? No.
Uawa.
No, Hauiti.
Hauiti. Teitanga Hauiti.
Mai.
And Whangara, he lived between Hauiti and Whangara mai Tawhiti. And he had a protected life because he pērā rawa te tapu.
Te tapu, yeah.
O te kanea takirau. Kāri e I whawhai. Kāre te takahi, he was a leader.
Yeah.
Engari, he harai te me koi ana he pērā. I pērā hia, e tana iwi, if you had that bloodline, well, you need to protect it, so you're not sending your ariki into a fight.
No.
Yeah. You see, like emperors of the day, they were the most protected and there for the,
This is before the kingitanga, but in the setting up of, and this is, and again, I still want everyone to get the distinction between ariki and kingitanga. Pōtatau was an ariki, but he was doing things that an ariki wouldn't have normally done, which was actually leading battles, going out on campaigns.
Yeah.
And ki roto i ngā whakaro te Māori o tērā wā, that was unheard of.
Yeah.
Now, example, 3
He
generations
was leading
before.
from the front.
So, e mihi ana, Ngāti Piki au, o tira te arawa, te kōrero, te ure tārewa o te kingitanga. Ne? Ka heke mai a Piki au, a te arawa. Tāne, tamai te tuatai. Piki au, maru ta uera ta pau e te putu. Tāwhia ki te rangi tuata, te rawanganga, te wherowhero kingi Pōtatau. So Pōtatau's great-great-grandfather was Te Putu, who was killed by ngā tokowaru at Taupiri. And then the peace was cemented between Ngāti Raukawa and Waikato through the marriage of Te Taringa Kāhu Tuatahi, the mokopuna of ngā tokowaru, to Tāwhia ki te rangi, who was the great-grandfather of Kingi Pōtatau, Tāwhia ki te rangi, tuata rawanganga. Yeah, great-grandfather.
On a different side.
No, Pōtatau's great-grandfather
All right, yeah.
married Te Taringa Kāhu Tuatai,
Okay.
who was Ngāti Raukawa.
Oh, okay.
And she has Waikato ancestry, but she was living in Panehākua, close to Maunga Tautari. Now, Te Putu, in the war campaigns, Te Putu didn't take part in the war campaigns in his lifetime. But and he was still alive, and then Tāwhia ki te rangi was fronted the war. It was his son, ne? But Te Putu was the same. He didn't go out and fight. Te Putu died, and Tāwhia ki te rangi took up the utu for the killing of his father. Ne? This is Game of Thrones. It's Game of
I'm thinking
ariki.
of all the houses.
Yeah, exactly. And that's every iwi he kōrero whenei.
Aye.
Ne? And that was sort of a defining factor for Te Whero Pōtatau to be king, was he had these qualities. One, whakapapa, and two, all these other things. He had te me, but he was a fighter
Yeah.
and a lover.
Yeah.
So that's an example. And when he didn't want to take on, there's also kōrero and rahui, you know, we talked about some of them, but he had dues to pay.
Yeah.
Because people have moved against the family. And he had numbers that he needed to call. And it was one of the reasons why he didn't want to be king, because he still needed to exact utu.
Right.
And he knew if he was to be king, he had to let all of that go and set an example for the rest of Māoridom to follow. Like, me mutu e rā. Hey, how often, and you look, nā ngā tūpuna e rā mahi. And I'm not afraid to say, e tai o ngā mahi a o tātou mātua tūpuna e hoa mā, kare whaihua ki a tātou i nāne.
Yeah.
You can't go around tonging everyone. And,
Or eat anyone.
yeah, that's why you play a slap game. Hey, but back then, the slap was me patu.
Yeah.
But when Pōtatau said, no, that's enough, he was Waikato out, all they needed to say, who was organising the hit, where the hit was going to happen, and it was for Kingi Pōtatau's, well, he wasn't king yet, his auntie. And there was Ngāti Haua that killed her and ate her. And I won't walk there at night.
Ki Kiripāka.
Yeah. Yeah, kei konei. And she was cooked and was the last kaitagata ki konei. 5 minutes that way. Wow. No, about 10 minutes walk.
There's a pakikehu about it, Elma.
Oh, that's right. And, yeah, so there's a lot of things that Ariki, he gave away. And that was one of them. Yeah. He had to pronounce war upon Ngāti Haua, but he didn't. And
Right.
Tāmihana, who was
Tāmihana,
So,
yeah.
no te whare, wow. I nāia nei, and this is something that I was talking to ngā hui about, I was going, tātou tainui, te whare o Tāmihana, wirimu Tāmihana tarapipipi ka pai, te whare o tarapipipi ka pai, te whare ariki o tarapipi ka ore.
okay.
Yeah. Te whare ariki o te whero, ai. But ka tau I kone, and I'll talk about I o tō tainui nei, ka tau ko potata e kingi, kua kore te rā whānau e ki he ariki rātau. I tukua katoa tia e rātau te mana, ki raro ki roto ki waho ki mua ki muri I te kingitanga. So that stopped being said. So you can say the house of Tamihana,
Yeah.
PPP, but not the royal household.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Engari, te whare o te heuheu, he whare ariki.
Okay.
Now you need to maintain it. Just because, and koutou, you know, some of you going, I come from ariki. Well, we all do.
Yeah.
Tama te ariki nui. Toroa, he ariki era, tūpuna o tātou. Engari nānei, kao.
Yeah.
You need to maintain the ritenga, the whakahaere and tikanga of what it means to look after a whare ariki.
Right.
Yeah.
Not just claim pedigree from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's rules of engagement, and if you look at tikanga in that light, there's rules of engagement in how you look after a whare ariki and your tikanga practices for it to be maintained as a whare ariki.
Pai te rā whakaara, so you can whakapapa as we all do, but maintaining that, Maintaining
Yeah. Your practices.
the practices there, yeah. It's better than aura, better than
Now,
the way you carry yourself.
I'll give
which
you
is
an
part of it.
example. Aku ra ngāti tu whare tō tēnā koutou. Now, we get a bit awkward. I'll talk about me and others. We get a bit awkward when we even with our cousins in ngāti tu whare tō, because it's not what they do is wrong with tēnā koe tumu, so tumu, but they still have their tikanga of how they are with tumu te heuheu,
Yeah.
ariki o ngāti tu whare tō. And I had to stop thinking about at that time kingi tuhete as an ariki and think, right, a whole lot of other things came with being te pōtai o te motu, te kingi, that were then attached on, and the tapu escalated.
Yeah.
And tātou tainui, ke whakaiti tātou, e tai wā, we see, I've seen, and when I was there, we don't do that, we don't do that. Wait on. Are those ariki things I'm thinking about, or are they kingitanga things?
Right.
Yeah.
And this is when
Yeah.
the tāhawahawa can happen in ariki kingitanga. Yeah. And it was Te Ariki Nui, she, going back, I think, I'm not sure if we talked about it. Kāri ei pirangi ki te kupu kuini, te ingoa kuini. I hihi e ki Te Ariki Nui. E koe rata na kōrero, ki te koroheke, ki te kōrero ko korohe nare tu whanga I tēnei. Ka mea te koroua, koe nei te whakataua te motu. Engari, nā wai I kōkiri, nā te taira awhiti. And nā te motu I whai.
Te kupu kuini.
Well, first, kia tū he wahi nei te ahurewa tapu.
Ai. Yeah.
And the current model we have is actually a hybrid of what used to happen. Because ka mate a kingi pōtatau e harai te mei hui anō, so now there's this like a conclave.
Yeah.
Me ngā manakitanga nui ki runga ki Te Ariki Nui, kuini ngā waihono I te pō. And I think she's doing very well, and we're coming up to
Nearly 1 year.
yeah,
Yep.
yeah,
Yep.
yeah. So we can understand some things about the workings within how the kingitanga is looked after through arikitanga, but in some other areas we have to separate the two, and that's arikitanga, for want of a better name, and then tikanga and the kingitanga.
Right.
Don't get them mixed up.
Yeah.
So, koera e tai kōrero.
Yeah, that's cool.
Is there a difference between what a whare ariki is and the kāhui ariki?
Yes. So, there's a wānanga rauhi and I had, and he was saying, oh, e kite e tai tuitui, and I've seen the same ones. For a time, the kāhui ariki was actually the kāhui that followed the ariki.
The royal caravan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that. The royal caravan.
The royal caravan.
And so the kāhui ariki was the te apataki,
Te apataki, yeah.
o te ariki.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know, Erika, ana e tai kōrero ki au mō e tahi o ngā tapairu, ariki tapairu. Kia kaua na waiwai e pā ki te whenua o iwi ke. So tauhei kuri ka heke te tauhei kuri te tamāhine a kahungunu. And she was so tapu, her feet were not allowed to touch the ground of other tribal areas, so she'd be carried everywhere. Ana amorangi. Ana amorangi. Ana amorangi!
Ana amorangi.
And after the amorangi...
Where would the amorangi be?
Up.
Ki
mua. So te amorangi ki mua.
Amorangi ki mua, hāpai o ki muri.
Yeah, now that's been...
Yeah, so for those who use that in ringawera mahi, me mōhio koutou.
You're getting the G-hand now.
I'm getting the G-hand, so, you know, amorangi ki mua, hāpai o ki muri, me mōhio koutou ki te whakapapa o te kōrero.
Yeah.
So hei aha te ki au nei, me whakairi tērā.
Yeah.
Especially if you're past intermediate learning, if you're in the tangas now.
Whakairi.
Whakairi.
Yeah. Mo ake tonu atu.
Ai. Hei, heiha.
Yeah, and we were in that when I went rangi to Kaolawe.
Yeah.
We had an amorangi, but it was the atua.
Yeah.
He pērā anō, because he was taking offerings for te atua.
Yeah.
And we were in our togas.
Yeah.
They were lovers. But I felt like we were in togas.
Togas, yeah. But that's cool. So
I
you
wore
got
mine like a toga.
I would have.
You had. Yeah, and they have malo day over there.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's every... Koutou o Hawaii, what day is malo day? Once a month they have a malo day and everyone wears
Cool.
a maro. Oh, yeah, man. It's cool.
That's
But it's warm there.
Koutou
I mean,
wanga, yeah.
if you go out now in a maro, you're freezing your gonads.
Oh, hell yeah.
Ko peke.
Ko peke, ngā peke.
Ko peke ngā peke me ngā tik. Ko peke te tik.
Ki rangi koe awhi.
Mākura pia.
Just quickly, quick
Yes.
thought. Kōrero mo te pūmotomoto, ka whāngai te pepi
Yeah.
ki te taro ko penua, ka tāpiri ki te pūmotomoto o te māting o te...
And that goes back to whaitiri mā takataka counting the taro.
Counting the taro, yes. E ngoi tahi karake he kaute.
Yeah. Ka takina te kawa tuatahi te kawa tuarua. And she was counting out the heavens and tāwhaki would pinch a taro. Ho mai te taro o te ora. But it's not that one.
It's the taro.
But it is, or is it?
Or is it?
Or wasn't it? Yes, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it is.
Whare Ariki, so amorangi, so
Amorangi
tauhei
ki mua
kura.
ko te hāpai o Kimu.
Yeah. And you know what I
And
like?
te hunga e whai ana. I nai nei though, I think tētai pōhe ko tupu ake ko te Kāhui Ariki's the royal family.
Yeah.
And i nā, but i tōna wā ko te Kāhui Ariki, te hunga, e manaaki ana, e tautoko ana, e whai ana, i te ariki, te kiingi, te kuini rānei.
So would you consider the conclave, he Kāhui Ariki in that context?
Yeah.
That's what.
Yeah, tika tāu.
What about all of, like, you know, going back to the kingitanga, what about all of the ruruhi, or the kaumātua that go around on the
Kāhui
bus?
Ariki.
Kāhui Ariki.
Are they the kāhui ariki?
Yeah. Te hikuroa.
Traditionally, yeah, te hikuroa nai nei.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what I
That's cool.
refer to it. Yeah.
But I tōna wā, ko te Kāhui Ariki, nā, kia hoki ki te karakia, mai e te tupu, mai e te tawhio, mai e te kao i o ngā ariki.
Yeah.
Nā, i reira, wā, he atuatanga nei. Ko
He
te
atuata.
whānau tērā o ngā atua.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ei, te whānau tērā o ngā atua. Te hungaka ako i tērā karakia poto nui te mana, tapu anō ki, ka pohehe e kōro ana te kāhui ariki, kōro tia ana tētahi kāhui ariki tangata nei.
Yeah.
Ne, engari ko ngā ariki, ana ko ngā atua anō.
Ngā atua.
Ana, he atua he tangata, e te mehe tangata te atua. Heke mai tātou i ngā atua,
Yeah.
but we're still men. E mo.
Yeah.
I also like the tapu that's observed with, so ka kōrero mo ngā ariki o mua. You know, kāre ngā rekereko o te ariki e pā ki te whenua o
Yeah.
iwi ke anō, me tō rātou ata,
Yeah.
So their shadow was tapu as well.
Ah,
Yeah.
So ka tōhipa,
So te tātai o hape,
yeah,
heke mai a hai tapu nui.
Mm.
Ana, hai tapu nui. Pēra rawa tana tapu, ka hai e te.
yeah,
Ei, oh, so tapu.
yeah,
Ka raru tana tei, nā kapu manoa whiti, te ope, because he's shadowing on everything. Oh, you can't eat the food.
Oh,
Takahi
wow.
tērā i te tapu o te ariki,
Yeah.
o hape, o hai. So, ka tonoa kapu kia hoki a hai tapu nui ki te kāinga. Kei raru rāwa i ngā pakanga, and he returned, and ka puta te kōrero, he whatinga o pe pai a mōkau, because that's where it happened.
yeah.
And he says, sometimes now that whakatauki or whakatauaki, skwera te kōrero a kapu, ka mana whiti, and anei anō te tei, you know, we've talked about more tete, how they were widespread, and we get a bit clingy with our pepeha,
Yeah.
and whakataiki, oh, that's from whakanui, so ni whanga. Nā. Ka tōna, ka tere raua, ka tere pipi whakao. Nō roto mai o te teirawhiti tērā pare.
Yeah.
Pērā o te rongonui o ngā haraka ki o reira, ka horapa.
Yeah.
And these sayings, they spread. Hey?
Yeah.
And they know, cause ka rere ngā kōrero, ka
Yeah.
mohio ki ngā tātai ariki.
Yeah.
And that became whakatauki for when one's got to leave an agreement, but you both leave on good terms and for the benefit of what comes after of the separation of a group.
He whatinga he ano?
He whatinga o pe pai a mōkau.
O pe pai a mōkau.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Well, because Hai Tapu Nui was the ariki, well, all the, you know, a lot of good fighting men went with him.
Yeah.
So there, you know, Kapu Manawhiti was left with the smaller group.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah. Yeah, pai tērā.
yeah. So that was a big sacrifice. You don't let your ariki go with, you know, most of the war party went with them to
Yeah.
protect them,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you know. And, te mutingi ho ka toa Kapu Manawhiti. Yeah. Ka puta te kōrero he tina mōtai. Yeah.
Tēnā rotai haere atu ana i hā
Yeah.
kere.
Now, just quickly, again, koutou e pātai ana, ākua nei pia e hi ana koutou ki te. Ka tai au tēnei kōrero, te whakatakoto i te me, tētai au aku, taringa huruhuru, whakaruru hau, pauako, e whia nā wākua rongo au te tākiri atana wepu, i runga i te aroa, Papa Timoti. And he was telling, not just me, us, how they had a hui e waikare moana ki te tohu i te arikitanga ki roto i a tūhoi. Ka tau ki runga ki a te whare huia.
Really?
I tana tūpuna i a tamarau. E kare a pāpā i pirangi. Yep. So, never went anywhere. That was it.
Wow.
That's wow, right?
That's well right. Because it makes me think like, koe ngā eriki o tōku aki iwi. O ōku
Yeah,
aki
well,
iwi.
that's why I want to know.
I
Like,
do have an idea of who might be, but I think it's easiest to say kupe was an ariki.
Yeah.
Ko kupe ariki, ko nuku tawhiti, e tahi mea ana, ko rāhiri i riro ia, e te arikitanga o taua.
Yeah.
Aha, ko he taina ia.
Yes,
So
that's
that's
right.
another, ko tangaro whakamana.
Ana.
So, yeah, and it makes you think of where it goes from there, because you had uenuku kuare, you had uenuku, and then you had kaharau.
Kaharau.
But kaharau was given the rites,
Yes.
ritual, and that's where karaka whati comes from, because i whati te karaka ki rungi aia, manawa, kaharau manawa kotiti.
Yeah.
But then it makes you think, where did it go? Why did it go? Where what happened? And he whakaro oku te wā i me haere te aronga ki te
Yeah.
arikitanga I roto I oku aki iwi.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then be others saying, oh, it's time to revitalise it, and it's like, well, how?
How?
We dare you at your next wānanga, bring it up and you have a wānanga about it. E te iwi, why can't we talk about that?
Yeah,
Ko e pāma mai.
yeah,
And I think some are afraid to,
Yeah.
good. And you know what? It's not about, or maybe it is, but it's a question of whanaungatanga. And
Yeah.
any good can come out of it. I think it's not about, or for me, if I was there, we're not going to talk about it, we
yeah,
won't.
yeah,
But I think if iwi did, it'll give you an idea
yeah,
and some things will come back.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, like, yeah, kaua, like, e whakatū ana I tō whare mo te aha, ke whakataitei,
Yes.
kia hara nei.
Yes.
Because, like, yeah, te whakaro. Mohano, Papa Hone said there, talking about, e nei ngai ariki, ko rewa, ko moka, ko hongi, ko eake. And I was like, true that, they were ariki, or revered in that way, amongst their own. But how come, yeah, where did it go? But I know, and I'm just thinking of this now, I think I ora tonu tētahi era rārangi I roto I a matire. So what makes it an ariki? Because mena ka heke tātou,
You know, ariki.
ngā ariki
O
katoa.
kia hoki au ki tāku I ki ai. Rules of engagement.
Yeah.
Ana, rules of engagement, tikanga. Nā, he hana tikanga I oti ai roto I te hapū, iwi rānei, hui ngō ngā hapū,
Yeah,
I tau ai o rātou whakaaro, ko tērā tātai, rete ki tōku.
yeah.
Engari me noho te arikitanga ki reira.
Ki reira, yeah, ai,
Nā te mutingi ho,
yeah,
I etahi, te mutingi ho, I ona wā, harai te mea selection, engari ai selection.
ai,
Harai te mea ātahui.
yeah.
Ei,
Engari he tikanga kia kōwhiri ai, kia whiriwhiri ai I te,
Yeah.
well, pēnei te
And,
kōrero mo te kingitanga.
yeah,
Yeah.
And just one more thought is, imagine tono coming to you, you're an ariki, and you actually, well, not relinquish, but you give your hand to that other
yeah.
whare. So, but it's cool. I think te painga ki au, me kōrero. Me kōrero
Yeah.
nei kaupapa. Like, I think we're getting selective about being Māori e homa.
Yes.
I just want to put that out there.
Yeah.
Selective.
Put it out there.
Put
it out there.
Selective to
Put 'em out.
a t-shirt, something cool to sell.
Yeah.
But in order to, I think kia Māori, tētahi whainga mō tātou, is to accept every bit of crumb
That's right.
as well as the loaf.
Kia ora.
Taro o te ora.
And where thought the wiki is from?
Origin roots, Aotearoa.
Whakakotahi.
When you look at our people, the troubles inside us are plain to see. It's written in history. All through the ages, the scars they bleed. Why are we here now? It's time to rewrite the story. Where do we go now? Unity set us free. We need to unite the world. Just believe and rise above. Almighty Jah, help us all to see the power of the people lives in me. We need to unite the world. Just believe and rise above. Almighty Jah, help us all to see the power of the people lives in me. Let us write the story. History that trouble no longer brings. And when you look at our people, the power that has given us unity, it's time to heal the past. Be free and let it go. And Jah will let you know. unity has set us free. We need to unite the world. Just believe and rise above. Almighty Jah, help us all to see the power of the people lives in me. We need to unite the world. Just believe and rise above. Almighty Jah, help us all to see the power of the people lives in me. Just believe and rise above. Almighty Jah, help us all to see the power of the people lives in me. We need to unite the world. Just believe and rise above. Almighty Jah, help us all to see the power of the people lives in me. Yeah.
Origin Roots might be listening and they might give you an audition and you might have a career change.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know about that.
You might... He rika e whakatau.
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that.
I got to get my breathing sorted first.
That's right. Te hau. Ane ngā mihe tako atu nei kia koutou kea kūariki. E ariki nea taringa nā koutou. E mihi ake ana. Anei anō nā mihi kia koutou nā taringa hou, ngā taringa huruhuru, e ngā taringa pīsaisai. Ei, hea te koreke, he ariki te mokopuna.
He ariki te mokopuna, yeah. Yeah.
But thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hei kona rā, for the 350th time.
350!
350.
Hard.
350, we want to go.
350. 350.
Guernsey. Guernsey. Oh.
Like my hands to face.
Hey, kona.
Tahuri mai ki yo, whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hook of force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā kona whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira whakarongo pi kari mai. Areare mai, o Taringa hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Taringa. He mea tuku nā te wānanga o Aotearoa, ā, nā te māngai pāho me irirangi te motu I tautoko. To listen to more episodes, search for us on your podcast app and subscribe, or follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Taringa. Whakarongo mai.